Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop, or as I like to say in these videos, welcome back to my computer. Harbor Freight's doing it again, guys. They're doing the 30% off sale. You know I love this sale, and I like letting you know when it's happening. Today is Friday, May 14th. It's still morning time, and I wanted to get this out to you early so that you have the whole weekend to use this sale. It is good today, Friday through Sunday, May 16th. You can use this coupon once a day for all 3 days of the weekend. The limitations of the sale are it's a limit of 5 items in store, a limit of 1 item online if you're doing the $10 and under 30% coupon. You Inside Track Club members, your sale is slightly different, whereas you get 30% off items $20 and under. And interestingly, you can see here they say in store only for this coupon. So I'm assuming that means if you're shopping online and you want to buy one item at 30% off and it's $10 or under, you could still do that, but you can't take advantage of the $20 and under here, which is a little disappointing, but it is what it is. Here is the coupons for you if you want to take a picture of them with your phone and use them here. The Inside Track Club, I always keep it on my phone just in case. The store should use your telephone number or your Inside Track Club card to honor that. The $10 one and under, if you're not an Inside Track Club member, you do need this coupon. So go ahead, pop a picture of it here with your phone now and put it on your phone. This is a valid coupon. It will work for you. For those of you that remember, the last time they did this sale, I actually purchased some of the Pittsburgh Ratchet Clamps. And I told you that the next time this sale came out, which I thought was going to be around Memorial Day, which is a couple weeks away, so they're doing it a little bit early, I would do a review of those clamps for you. So I have started that video, and it is going to be done today, and I will have it out tomorrow morning for you for the Saturday in short for this week. A little quick teaser for you people that want to go shopping today. The Pittsburgh Clamps, to me, do get a thumbs up. They have what I call affordable value to them. I don't believe the fit and finish is as good as even the Bremen clamps in Harbor Freight, or the DeWalt's, the Ratchet Clamps that are out there now, the Erwin Ratchet Clamps that you can get in the big box stores. And they're a little bit finicky to use, but you get used to the finickiness where the button is located, and they become very usable. I've been using them for the past 3 months now, and I have had 0 issues with them. They work fine. They are well built. I haven't even had one even remotely crack or seem to have any issue, and they do clamp down nice and firm. They give you a good grip. They actually grip better than my Erwin clamps. And that isn't a fair comparison, because my Erwin clamps are actually skinnier and smaller. The Erwin 6-inch clamps compared to the Pittsburgh 6-inch clamps, the Pittsburgh clamps are more substantial. So they do get a better grip there. Anyway, you're going to hear all of that tomorrow in the review of the Pittsburgh Ratchet Clamps. I just wanted to spit out a little thumbs up for the people that want to use this coupon today on Friday before I get the video out. So that's all I have for this one, guys. It's the 30% off sale. We all know what this is. If you're not an Inside Trap Club member, $10 and under, you can buy 5 items in the store at 30% off. Those 6-inch clamps that are normally $2.99, $3 are now $2.08, guys. It's crazy. I don't know how they make those clamps for that price, but it's a great time to go get them, guys. Go get your clamps. If you like this video, please hit the like button. As always, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and have a great day. We'll see you in the next one, which is going to be the Pittsburgh Clamps tomorrow.